myself Ranjit SP, and I am from Salem, Tamil Nadu. I have done my schooling and all those things here in Salem. So coming to my bachelor's degree, I was doing my bachelor's in mechanical engineering in PSG College of Technology, Coimbatore, and to my disappointment, what actually happened was I got placed in an IT sector. So I was not interested in working in IT sector. So my aim was to go work only in the automobile sector. Every student, other students, they used to search in social medias here and there for searching jobs. So similarly, I just searched the jobs in different websites like LinkedIn, Naukri, and all those things. So I came across this skill link in LinkedIn actually, this LinkedIn profile, and then when I went through the skill link website and I saw all those courses are there. Since the future is also this electric vehicle domain, and I thought this hybrid electric vehicle course could help me in my career. I also saw the success videos of students in YouTube as well. So that inspired me to take skill link. I took a mechanical domain semester in the beginning because since I am from a mechanical domain, so if I take a mechanical course, it would be helpful for me. It was suggested by one of the staffs in Skilling. So I have chosen this mechanical domain. And in the mechanical domain, I learned about this Ultimate SolidWorks, where designing of the chopper and the arc design. So in that, what I learned was usage of different softwares like SolidWorks, and then coming to my second course, this automobile sheet metal design and automotive sheet metal design. So there I learned about the basics of sheet metal and their applications in industry. And then I also learned about BIW, BIW in the sense body in white in the cars, and their design approach. So it actually helped me a lot in cracking the interview as well and completing the course on time. The projects which I made was they were closely related to industry oriented projects. The projects what I did was I put it in my resume. So the same question was asked related to what projects I did, so that I was easily able to answer all those questions what the interviewer could ask me. Since it is a design side, mainly they were asking about the GD&T concepts, all those things. So I was able to answer the question and crack the interview. Actually, they helped me a very lot. So before that, I was not even aware of how to build a resume and how to build my portfolio. So the customer success team approached me once I completed my fourth course in automobile. That is the design side. Actually, it consists of 6. But before completing my course itself, I got a call from them, and they helped me a lot in building my resume as well as my portfolio. It was very much pleasing for the interview who saw it. Actually, he appreciated it for me when he saw my resume. It was a bit different, and it was precise and thing what actually describes us, our work actually. So they helped me a lot, and I have attended a tool test, but I didn't have any mock test because luckily I got placed in the first company I attended. So I didn't have any much difficulties in getting placement since I cracked it in the first interview. So that their help was it was very great, and they also guided me in choosing the right domain what I was wishing for. It's not about the duration of how long we take, and what we learn from the course is what mainly describes us from others. So some of them feel since they didn't complete the course in time, so they may not get a placement on time, all those things, and they're fed up and they leave. So what I used to tell is, please don't leave it and learn as much as possible. Career success team also is there. and the support staffs are also there. They are anytime available from morning 8 10 to 9, maybe till 8 o'clock they will be available, so you can ask your doubts at any time and any point of time. So it is very helpful, and please don't leave it in the middle, and you try it till the last so that you can surely crack your dream job. Personally, I feel like it is a blessing, like I got, like, because since due to this pandemic I was like jobless for almost 6 to 7 months. So once I just completed the course and they got me placed, it was been the most happiest day. Like I'm going in the right track, what I was wishing for, so that my future would also be in the same track. So what the beginning thing that we get in a career is going to last for till the end. So this is a good platform so to get our dream job in the core mechanical domain. So if we get into that domain, so if, obviously my future is also going to travel in the same domain, and so I'm very happy about it.